Bachchan sir told, "Hello sir, how are you?" And they start a normal conversation. But the
Mhm.
amazing things here, they said that according to the Mr. Bachchan, he is not recognized by the other person. It is he. So the person is
So, good afternoon.
good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing good, and I hope you are also doing good.
Yes, I try to be good because
So, shall we? Go
at
ahead.
home there is a little bit construction going on, so we are puzzled all time.
Okay, okay. So, shall we discuss about reality shows?
Yes, I don't know much more about, yeah. You, if you start, then I will try to
Yes,
connect.
yes, I can start. Like nowadays, there are so many reality shows, and there's a one famous show. I'm not taking the name. Most of the person are aware of that
Don't
popular
worry,
show,
I never watched.
reality show.
Yes,
I
yes.
have never watched also, but sometimes we are reading some news
Yeah.
regarding that TV show.
So,
That I observe, like they are sometimes they are giving not good. They are not giving good content for the viewers.
yes, exactly, ma'am. I want to know about the what kind of the content, what kind of the motto, and you can say the subject material. What is the subject
Hmm.
material? These kind of the reality show. Now, I can easily understand when they are in reality show, someone is sing song, they show
Hmm.
their skill, and enhance their singing skill. They want a good guru at that
Yes.
from
Yes.
guideline. Sometime kids they perform different activity, dance activity, some intellectual performance also there. I watched
Hmm.
what is the name of Steve Harvey shows.
Hmm.
So, but I don't know that these kind of the reality. So I heard a lot on the
Hmm.
different. I never watched till
Some
now.
reality shows are really good where you can show your talent, like
Yeah,
singing talent, some dancing talent, some other talent also. But some reality show there are, I think, 9 or 10 participants who are just fighting, and they are spreading negativity also.
yeah. So what is the motto and what is the content? I don't know.
Like there are some young, you can say there are some YouTubers also, influencers also. They are entering in a house. It is
Okay.
called a house. I'm not taking the name. You
Yeah,
can
yeah.
search nowadays. It is we can see it on the OTT.
OTT. I don't know the what is the meaning of OTT.
And after this they will telecast on the television. It is the second part. In this part there are so many YouTubers are taking they are participants, some influencers are participant, and one anchor is also participant, and they are
Okay.
just doing
There, what are they doing there? What kind of
they
perform
are
there?
just I think they will live I think 1 month. In within 1 month they will make some food, they will do some activity, and sometimes they are doing backbiting also, and they are mostly they are showing some vulgarity.
Okay. We can easily watch it. They are if they are doing any backbiting, any vulgarity. It is also telecast.
Yes. So I can say nowadays these kind of TV shows or reality shows are gaining more and more popularity among the youngsters,
So we can easily surmise the mentality of the youth if they are like this kind of the show. We can
because
easily
they want reality, but sometimes they are but sometimes they are like they are talking about their personal life also, and I think it's not good. Like they have, if they have girlfriend, boyfriend, they are talking about their past also on the television. It's not good.
yeah.
And after that, the host is saying, okay, which contestant you like, you can give vote also. And after that, they will, enter in second round. And if they are not entering in the second round, they can be eliminated. Yeah, parameter is voting. If you like that participant, you can give your vote. Like YouTubers also who are taking part.
Okay. if we are now watch their video, if we are like the personality of the particular person.
But I have seen some clips also. When I was watching these clips, I'm just thinking what I am getting from these clips. They are just showing their reality, how they are living in that, how they are just fighting, showing their fighting,
Yeah. Okay.
and it's
So
not good for the our
maybe they
children.
will it in a real life. Maybe the it is their true and real face.
Somewhere I have read that it is all the scripted,
Okay.
and after winning they are, I think, getting 50,000 or 50 lakhs amount. I think 50 lakhs, not 50,000.
Okay.
Yes,
So
and they will
I
win a trophy also.
okay. Ma'am, it is the amazing thing if they are present the vulgarity and show their anger and resentment also, and after that they win a handsome amount of the money and trophy also. Yeah, it is
Yes.
also insult of the trophy, I think.
And there are some good reality shows also, like Shark Tank.
Could you
Have you heard
repeat?
about Shark Tank? Shark Tank.
No, no, I haven't heard about before because I never
Okay,
watched them.
it's okay. First, it was telecast in the US. After that, in India, they also make this kind of show. It is also called Shark Tank, where like you have some extra talent, you can say. You want become an entrepreneur, then you can enter in that show.
Okay.
And I think it's a good show. It was a good show. You can show your talent.
Try to become an entrepreneur, so it is good for
Hmm.
our future, and also we are able to giving the employment the other person.
Yes, and you can show your product, like how much the cost of this product, how can give you discount. There are so many things in that show. So
How can
children can understand how can we become entrepreneur, and how can we do business also.
okay, it is good. It is good thing, but I never watched.
And some like singing shows, really it is very good shows, where
Yeah,
like that type of children who have a extra skill like singing skill, they can show their talent.
yes, yes, yes. I watched in sometimes some clips of the dancing and the some singing and some the talent hunt show also. They
Mm-hmm.
ask question related to our just like it is also a famous show. They are asking the question and try
Mm-hmm.
to that there is a different round. Also after that they will win the a handsome amount of money also. But
Mm-hmm.
sometime, ma'am, if we are talking about the earlier reality show that as the present vulgarity, so government should take action against these kind of the show, I would say,
Mm. Yes.
because now a lot
So
of
we can. Mm. Mm-hmm.
youth inspired these kind of the show, and they try to inculcate in their behavior. They just the behave like I am a celebrity. They don't understand it is a their profession. They are paid for this, and this is not good. But if the society likes, so definitely people try to follow.
Yes. When I was a kid, that time there are so many programs which are related for kids. So many kids shows that time available, and some science quiz, maths quiz also. So that time there were so many quiz show like GK show, science show, and there are so many schools who are taking part of that kind of show. But nowadays, when we are watching in the TV, I have not seen any these kind of show.
Yes, yes. And in reality, ma'am, nowadays we are in busy, and I think the busy person haven't much more time to watch the TV. Yesterday I read a story, and it
Mm-hmm.
is not a story, but one day Amitabh Bachchan wrote, the Twitter
Mm-hmm.
maybe. He
Mm-hmm.
told a day I was fly Mumbai to Delhi. That time a simple sit beside me, and he was reading a newspaper. And the Bachchan sir told, "Hello, sir, how are you?" That they start the normal conversation. But the
Mm-hmm.
amazing things here, they said the according to the Mr. Bachchan, he is not recognized by the other person. It is
Hmm.
he. Oh, the person is not recognize me and not show any amazement. So after
Hmm.
the flight, they try to goodbye. They try to say goodbye, and Amitabh Bachchan introduced himself. I am Amitabh Bachchan, and I am doing work in the film industries. So other
Mm-hmm.
person, I never watched the TV. I never watched film. So, but thank you if you are doing work in the film industry. By the way, I am the JD Tata.
Yes,
So
yes, I have heard this. Yes.
So, it is the amazing thing, simple person, busy person, they are doing in a real good works. They never watch these kind of things. They haven't much more time. They just doing own life and a betterment for the other people. They
Hmm. Hmm.
not to show any reality show, any TV show. They are
Hmm.
TRP and viewers.
And yeah, Adi Tata, he's a very noble person.
Yeah. So I
Yes.
read a story one day about the in the conversation. So I also amazed. Now we should not try to show up if we are doing something industrious. So people can recognize easily.
And there are so many industrialists who are always want to, in the limelight. But he is a very simple man. Most of the time, he stay away from the limelight.
Yeah. They are not try to gather. They are not try
Hmm.
to their a pump and show around there. We hardly show
Hmm.
these kind of things.
Yes, he don't. I think he don't like show off.
And yes, and Tata Industries have in a dignified in a name in our India, and not only India, in the worldwide. They charity the
Hmm.
most, and during we easily was during the COVID especially. So they
Hmm.
have significant role in India, and they never try to the show up. Otherwise, some industrialists try to show up also.
Yeah. Nowadays there are so many industrialists who are just doing show off. But I
Yeah, yeah,
have seen like he stay away from all the limelight.
yes, yes, yes,
Yes. So I can say, and we can say, he's a good personality.
yeah, yes.